In this video, we're heading to Brimfield, Massachusetts to Brimfield, America's oldest outdoor flea market, and it happens to be about 45 minutes from my home. Lucky me. If you like Flea Market Flip, they film many episodes here. I really love that show. Brimfield runs 3 times a year for a week in the spring, summer, and fall. Over 50,000 people visit the market each year. Now, the market runs along Route 20 and is about a mile long. Hey, if this is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. I'm glad to have you along for the adventure. No matter what your personal style is, Brimfield has something for you. It's not only for the antiques, they have vintage, new, check out those chairs, and everything in between. What a great way to develop your own personal style. Look at these great busts, unique artwork. That statue reminds me of David Bowie. I love this little brass Buddha. I can totally see these turned into lights and hung over a kitchen island. Let's check out some of the unique and beautiful items in this area. I think this Buddha would look fantastic in a garden. How fun is this ice cream sign? I love the detail on this lion. Look at his mane. Oh, and check out those bar stools there. How cool. These portraits are fun. Oh, I love this neoclassical mirror. How beautiful. I love these amber caged lanterns, probably from Mexico. And these lamps. I think a black or burlap barrel lampshade would update these nicely. Now let's check out these very unique metal vessels. One cue I always take from the flea market is seeing how they arrange the items. If you take a picture with your phone, you can always use the ideas later. Grouping items together, creating very nice vignettes, same colors, different heights. Have fun with it.
My new favorite color is blue. It's been that way since I started missing you.
Check out this beautiful pottery. I thought these were vintage mission pieces, but they were actually current pieces of work. Really, really pretty. I love the monochromatic color palette on this vase. And check out this set of teacups with the creamer. I remember this pattern on a large vase that we had growing up. I loved it. Look at these beautiful mud cloths. What a great way to add color and texture to your home. Oh, I love this. Oh, how gorgeous. This is nice, the wool. Those are beautiful. How much are your... $30. Now that's a steal. I love these. They're made out of wool. And I really like the idea of just having the covers so you can change them out seasonally without having to store additional pillows, because I love decorative pillows.
Come back though, right? Don't spend all your money over there.
Yeah, I don't have much, so trust me.
Don't spend all your
I don't have much. I love a little friendly banter with the vendors. And this gentleman had a lot of interesting things from Africa. These carved pillars are gorgeous and would be an amazing focal point on a dining room table or pretty much anywhere. Like the gold and the black there.
One also. This.
Yes, the
The
marbling.
marble.
Yeah.
You know, just like.
You don't get that anymore.
You know.
Look at this thing, even that.
Yeah.
See the spine on it?
Oh yeah, with the
I
ridges.
mean, yeah, leather. Vintage books add a lot of color and texture to your interior decor projects. I like to use them as risers like you can see here. Look at this beautiful carved mantle. How beautiful are these? And now for the not so pretty, definitely creepy, but interesting. Look at these molds. And this jail cell from Alcatraz. Very interesting. The colors, the patina on this was really, really kind of neat. A lot of rust, and I'm sure a lot of lead. But the props made it kind of fun. And now let's check out some furniture. I love this settee here, and it was in great shape, but it was already sold.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is right.
Check out these trunks. I love trunks. Not only do you get storage out of them, but look at how beautiful this is. They make great coffee tables, especially if you get ones with the flat tops, not the rounded dome top. I like these metal signs, and I thought it was fun that they did them with inspirational messages. Now here's some other pieces that caught my eye. If you missed my last video where I traveled to New York to the largest wholesale trade show for home decor, fashion, and more, make sure you click right here, and I'll see you over there.